This day in history, at a glance. November 20th, 1945, Nuremberg trials begin. The Nuremberg trials began as Allied powers prosecuted key Nazi leaders for war crimes, marking a historic moment in international justice. 1962, Cuban Missile Crisis ends. The Cuban Missile Crisis officially ended as Soviet missiles were removed from Cuba, easing Cold War tensions between the U.S. and the USSR. 1985, Windows 1.0 released. Microsoft launched Windows 1.0, ushering in a new era of personal computing and revolutionizing technology. 1998, International Space Station assembly begins. The first module of the International Space Station, ISS, was launched, marking the start of humanity's largest cooperative space project. Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history, subscribe, like, and share.